Hello, have you ever wanted to have a website that the design looks quite nice, appealing, eye-catching, colours looking right, etc. But maybe your website is like this? Well, it's not a problem. It can be built, designed to meet your needs. Today I'm talking about what we can do behind the scenes of a website when you've got a theme that maybe doesn't appeal, you haven't got the cash flow to spend another £100 on a theme. The software, it can be pricey, and you've seen the prices and you're thinking, okay, I'm going to run out of budget. Well, here's some good news. There are some ways of dealing with it. So I'm going to take you to some themes that actually do work quite well, and I'm going to activate this particular theme. What does that do to me? What does the site? Well, it can bring a theme like this in, and the beauty of themes like this is we can actually change them on the actual site, but using software like Elementor. Now this is an Elementor basic option, so we can literally go into our site, and I think it is Latin, if I'm wrong please correct me. We can change the content and build on it. Yep, we can certainly do that, and when we click here we see our learn more option. We can find out more. Yep. We can actually then put a link into our particular page and loads of other things. Image wise, you may well find that you want something slightly different, who knows. Let's just check the size of that image. Yeah, you could probably change that over to that particular image there. And look how quickly we're able to do that, keeping it nicely presentable. So if you're in a position at the moment where you're looking at developing a website and you want something that's going to work, be operational, you're not understanding fully all the software packages that might be available, then make contact with me today. As you can see, the number 07398144234 is available. You can message me on LinkedIn, not an issue. I look forward to responding to you, and also you can contact us on the websites, etc. But the key thing is we want your site to look good and to look the sort of site that you feel meets your needs. Thank you very much indeed for watching this particular video.